Get in for the G-Man. I cop me a box Chevy, two-door 1978, 24s, Lambo doors, 18 years old, I was straight. Research me if you think I'm lying. Jolly at that 815, 358 North Broadway.
Hey, like and subscribe. My daddy's doing his best. Don't call.
All right, Scott. Get out of that very nice. All right, brother. Y'all always working and dealing with the car. Final start, y'all. It's got me. He got some power in this thing. So he took this motor and bored it out to make it that aggressive. Good Lord, did you hear it? I'll be into this stuff. I just posted on my YouTube channels. Actually, I'm building cars. Wow. And only thing about it, like, you see how the Monte Carlo is, like, when you start it up, it's loud, my car. So this is 2 times louder than mine.
There's no exhaust.
Oh, okay. Once you open headers. Also, he not running none. He just going, man, he gonna be so loud.
No, he left it off because I gotta do the floor.
Oh, okay. Once you do the floor, then y'all put the flow masters on. Yeah, it'll quiet down a little bit, but this gonna be a lot. Man, this thing got power. You can hear it and you can see it, like it's so tight when you hit the gas. That motor is just like ready to come up out of there.
There's only less than a mile on the motor.
Less than a mile. Ooh, we go.
Better have that motherfucker running.
Yeah, I love that noise. I love this. Every time I look at this car, I'm going to get me something fast. I'm going to get old school fast, new school fast.
Well, it's bored out. 30 over with a cam in it.
Little cam or what kind of cam?
I don't know what size.
Wow.
I'm thinking this thing will pull the front wheels.
Oh yeah. Probably jump right off the ground too. Camaro, y'all, this is that 70.5. Y'all finally heard it run. So y'all can't say that y'all hear it run. I'll let you hear it run. It's super loud. Yeah, 70.5 Camaro. This boy's so loud. You heard that? The smoke. Y'all, this is a 70.5 Camaro. I gave y'all a video. You know, Scott Love, when I come up here, he come start working. We end up talking about cars. He end up showing y'all the projects. So y'all, this is short video. This is a short vlog. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel. Big Boys with a Z, Stunning Entertainment. Also, y'all follow me on Instagram, IG. As y'all can see, this is where the magic goes on. A lot of welding, a lot of work, y'all. A lot of suspension work. A lot of suspension work, y'all. A lot of welding. A lot of welding. But yeah, y'all, there y'all go. Y'all have it. I'm gonna end the video. You know, have to come see Scott. I actually got a project outside right here. Finna get some suspension work checked and looked at. So here we go. Baby out here with his daddy. We grinding. Every grinding.
Hey, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.